Hi guys, welcome to Caantech Foundation. My name is Catherine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reprint your KRA certificate, assuming you know the login details to your KRA account. But if you don't, you can still access your account, no worries. So to get started, go to your search engine and search for iTax, then click on itax.kra.go.ke. So KRA also added a new feature in iTax. You can log in using your ID number. So choose whether to log in with the ID number or your KRA PIN. So if you know your KRA PIN, click on PIN and enter the PIN, then click on continue. So once you do that, a new field will be able to appear and you can input your password and answer the security stamp, then click on login. In case you don't know your KRA PIN, you can log in using your ID number by clicking on ID, then enter your national ID number and click on validate. Once you do that, your KRA PIN will be able to auto-populate based on your ID number. Enter the password to your iTax, answer the security stamp, then click on login. In case you have forgotten the password to your iTax, click on Forgot Password, and in case you have locked your iTax account, click on Forgot Password / Unlock Account. However, to use this feature, you need to know the email address that was used to register your iTax account. And if you can't remember that email address or access it, you can always message KRA on their social media platforms. They are very responsive. Tell them you have forgotten or you can't access the email address that was used to open your iTax account, and give them the email address you want them to use, and you can be able to forgot password, that is to reset the password to your iTax. So this is the iTax dashboard. This is how it looks like. Once it opens, in the menu at the top, click on registration, then click on taxpayer profile. Click on reprint PIN certificate. Once you do that, it's going to tell you to choose the applicant type. Are you the taxpayer or the taxpayer's agent? Once you choose your type, click on submit. Confirm the details, then click on submit. KRA is going to tell you to confirm by clicking OK or clicking cancel. And it's going to generate your PIN certificate, and all you have to do is now download by clicking on click here to download PIN certificate. Thank you so much guys for watching. Today we learned how to reprint our PIN certificates, KRA PIN certificates from iTax portal. My name has been Catherine and this is Caantech Foundation. Until next time, bye bye.